Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate about how you can install Snort on Kali Linux. Okay, so by default in Kali Linux the Snort is not available. So here if I try to get, only thing is that you need to configure to net should be functional. So if I say Snort, so it will say that errors or something like this, it's not available, or even if you try to get apt update you may not be able. So it will take, but unfortunately you cannot be able to do this particular one. Okay, it won't. So what you can do, I have made a small notes on this, so you can download this zip file which is available in GitHub. Okay, so this is my first step. This is my first step. Just copy this one and try to get the download. So the zip file will be downloaded. So what we are really doing is that we are trying to basically get the repository from Ubuntu. Okay, because this Ubuntu doesn't contains this Kali Linux doesn't contain the repository of Snort. So I'm trying to replace the source files of Kali from Ubuntu. So I have just downloaded. You can see this file which has okay, zip file which is there. You can say unzip this particular one. You have this file called a sources.list. Sources, this is very important for us. So go to this 4b directory. This file is a sources.list. This sources, this is a repository from Ubuntu. Sources.list. So ubuntu.com, all from. So very important one. Very important one. CP source, this sources.list. You need to copy this one into the repository location of what is this Kali Linux etc apt. But before that you take a backup. Before that what you need to do, you can take a backup. So we are in this step. Okay, so how you can take a backup? So you can take backup and we move etc apt source.list. Okay, later on again you can move apt sources.list.old. Okay, it has been done. Now cp sources.list. Okay, etc apt sources.list. Let's copy it to that directory. You can view ls-l etc apt sources.list. Okay, this is your file. This is your file. Right. Now try to download this key file, which is next most important. So if you try to do apt update, okay, update, it will try to get from Ubuntu repository, but unfortunately we don't have this public key. So see this one. It will show you the public key now. You can see this, just copy this public key. No key, no pub key. So just copy this one. Okay. So okay. So here apt key, you add that key adb hyphen key server. Okay, same thing, no change. Key server dot ubuntu.com recv hyphen keys and the number which I have copied. Okay, the keys will be stored in your system. Yeah. So now the next step is you can see here I've just reduced my screen. Okay, now try to apt update first time. This is the simplest process of getting this Snort or IDS to be installed on your system. So it will get all the repository packages to your local system now. Should not take much time depending on the, so it has downloaded, fetched up to 40 MB. Now once after this you can install this Snort. Okay, apt install Snort. Do you want to continue? Yes. downloading the libraries and all the packets. Now this is more important. Your network address should be replaced here. Network address to be assigned. So just say okay. My address is /24. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Then I should give 24. Here my IP address is 192.168.1.0/24. So I am giving this particular one and say okay. So it's downloading all the files. So okay, in this way this Snort is installed. So you can verify man Snort. I should show you. This is the Snort is installed. Okay. So in my other video, I'll be showing how you can write the scripts in Snort intruder detection system, and then how you can get the alerts. Okay. Thank you. Bye.